everyone. Whoa, I'm looking rough. Welcome to another Whoa Eating Day. We were out of paper towels, and so Ashley had to run out. So I was like, can you stop and get Starbucks? So she did.
Twist my arm.
Let's see what I actually ordered. I sometimes order something like different every time. It's really just what I'm feeling. But I went, okay, venti with an extra shot, almond milk latte with 1 pump cinnamon dolce and 2 pumps vanilla. So we'll see. I always bring down the amount of pumps for like even if I have a grande, I only have like 1 pump of a syrup because it's just too much. But since this is a venti and I have an extra shot, went for 3 pumps. We went a little crazy. And Ashley bought me these hazelnut spread M&Ms, which we will be trying with breakfast. Don't you worry, but I'm gonna
I got me
get ready first.
You don't have to share.
Oh.
I mean, you can.
Okay. I will be trying at breakfast, but I'm gonna make this prettier first. Anyway, go on.
I was like, can I share what I ordered, or are you just gonna end this here and nobody gets to hear about me?
No.
I got the honey citrus mint tea, and I added 1 additional pump of peppermint syrup. This is also known as the medicine ball tea, if you've heard that term utilized in the pop culture vernacular. I have a little bit of a scratchy throat. It's nowhere near severe. I don't think I'm getting a cold. I think it is mostly due in part to the drastic weather change that we have experienced.
40 degrees today.
I mean, get used to me in sweatshirts over the next several videos. It was in the weekend vlog. It's gonna be in this one, and it's gonna be in our next vlog because we're filming them all consecutive days.
Yeah.
I put all my winter stuff away. All I got are these collegiate sweatshirts, so you're gonna see I do one every day. Just FYI.
Yeah, we're gonna be having lots of our core shots today because they're still on sale at Whole Foods, 5 for $10. So I think I'm actually gonna go back today and get 5 more because since we're flying, I just want to totally amp up the immune system.
Time in the day for you to drink that many? Because you already have a bunch.
I only have 3 left.
Oh.
Yeah. I took a bunch that day because there was one day where our throats started hurting, and she kept saying hers was allergies, and I was like, mine feels like a cold, and I was like,
no,
we're
mine
not
was
playing.
Scratchy,
like
itchy,
yeah.
And so that's allergies.
I was like, I'm not playing. Went and got this, started it right away. I had 4 of those shots in one day. I ordered some oil of oregano and started that. And I started all that in one day, and the next day I felt so much better, but I'm still doing all of this still as precaution because we're not getting sick. It's not happening. Okay, I'm not ready for breakfast yet because I have a little bit more work I need to do before I can come and cook, but let's do a live taste testing of the hazelnut spread M&Ms at 10:26 in the morning. Chocolate for breakfast is always the answer, right? I think so. All right. They're pretty much the same normal size as normal M&Ms, just a little bit thicker. Mmm. Oh my god. It's literally just oh, my mouth is watering. It's literally Nutella inside of an M&M. Wow, that's good. Mom's gonna want these. Okay. Let's have a couple more. Okay, I'm gonna have this handful. Now I'll come back to you with breakfast a little later.
My morning's actually been kind of nuts. So I have a call in about 15 minutes. I don't have a ton of time to stop and do anything for breakfast. So I'm just going to eat this perfect bar. This is the peanut butter flavor that is my fave. And then I'm gonna have one of these core shots that we were talking about earlier. This is the wellness one, just to kind of keep my immune system in check. And this is gonna be my super quick breakfast. I'll have probably a little bit more for lunch in a bit.
Okay, Ashley's about to get on a call, so I have to talk through this quickly before I make it. So for breakfast, I'm just gonna make some of my steel cut oats. I make it, and when I put it in the boiling water, I put a little bit of cinnamon, and then when I take it out, I put a very small amount of maple syrup in to stir it around, and then I'm also going to have an applesauce, you know, because I'm a child. And I'm going to have my daily supplements. And let's see, what shakes do I have left? I'm gonna do one of my turmeric supplements. I also have a potency and a wellness, and depending on the rain I might go get more. I don't really want to go there after my swing class, but I think today's the last day of the sale. I don't know, we'll see. Yes, I think that is everything that I'm going to have this morning. Just making sure, seeing what I have, because I'm trying not to buy anything new because we're leaving this weekend. So I'm just trying to take inventory of what food I actually do have here. It's gonna be an interesting day because we're just trying to like finish everything. Okay, I'm gonna make my oatmeal now. Okay, so it's now lunchtime and it's actually kind of late. It's 2 p.m. We've just been like working and completely lost track of time, and I'm going to spend tonight, so I need to eat this before it gets like too close to that. So it's going through like everything that I have here, and I have a couple of things that are kind of like leftovers, so that's gonna be lunch and dinner. I'm sorry, but they have to be eaten. I can't wait much longer. So I made this the other night. Let me turn around and show you. So it doesn't look super appetizing, but it's a mixture of cauliflower rice that I cooked with turmeric, and then I want to say the brand was Tilda. It was a like microwavable rice that was like a firecracker flavored, so it had like habanero and stuff in it. And then this is tempeh that I cooked with coconut aminos, which is like a better for you version, kind of like of soy sauce. It has the same effect. So I'm just gonna heat this up and eat it, and I might go into this snacky drawer. I might have some of these kale chips, maybe like half of them now and half of them with dinner possibly. Yeah, because a lot of these snacks I think I'm gonna take to London with us. Well, maybe I'll throw a couple of these spicy crunchy chickpeas on top after I heat that up. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, excellent.
I'm going to cook a little bit more of an extensive dinner. So for lunch, I am just gonna kind of snack on a sort of semi-random assortment of things, but it works for me. I'm going to have a Baby Bell cheese, some pickles. I love a pickle. These are bread and butter chips from Whole Foods. These are hard-boiled eggs. They're in like little 2-packs, so I think I'm gonna have one of those. I'm gonna have some blackberries. When we buy it at Whole Foods, they always tape the packages shut so that it doesn't move. No, I bought these again. I went again because we have these at our picnic and they were really, really good. So I got some more because they were on sale. And then I stole this from Create and Cultivate. These are, the brand is Enlightened. They are,
Wait, is that the sriracha one?
Yep.
I moved that over to my thing for me to have. I left the barbecue one for you.
I like the sriracha one. I've already had the barbecue one. I wanted the sriracha one. I stole it, so I get to choose. They are like crunchy broad beans. Anyways, they're 7 grams of protein. It's similar to like crispy chickpeas, if you have ever had those. There's a bunch of flavors. This is the sweet sriracha. We also have this one is mesquite barbecue, and then this one's a sweet one, cocoa dusted crunchy beans. So anyways, this is our snack drawer.
It's a mess.
So that's my lunch, and then I might have, wait, I want to try this. I'm just gonna steal one of yours. I bought it. I can't get it with one hand. Ha! Oops.
You don't get more than one?
I got one. It is good.
It's not like overly sweet.
It's not overly sweet. It's good. Recommend. All right, here is my little lunch bowl. I also have a coconut LaCroix that I started earlier that I'm gonna finish. Cool. And then while I eat this, I'm gonna finish up this episode of the Real Housewives of New York I started. So I have 10 minutes to eat and then back to work. We had to put a sweater on Poppy today because it's so cold. I made a cup of coffee because I realized I actually hadn't had coffee yet, because from Starbucks this morning I got tea. There's probably a little bit of caffeine in the tea. I am not sure, but made some coffee. Shelby is making some coffee as we speak, and we are about to film our latest episode of Coffee Chats for IGTV. So
I will most likely be finishing this whole bag of these.
I know, I probably will open mine too. And we also both unanimously decided to not go to the gym tonight because it's pouring down rain still and freezing, and I just really don't want to get out in it again.
I'm gonna do like my workout that I do here. I said she can do it with me if she wants. We'll see if she actually does.
I'd rather just eat M&Ms.
I'm also gonna put my collagen in my coffee this time.
Cool. For dinner tonight, I am going to make something that my dad invented and sent us a picture of a few weeks ago, and I tried to recreate it with some minor adjustments, and it was really delicious. So I'm going to recreate it again tonight with even some further adjustments. And it is kind of like, think of like a breakfast casserole with tater tots as the base and some eggs. And then I think he put like ham in his, and I did some fake veggie bacon the first go around. This time I think I'm gonna do a Beyond Beef patty that I'm gonna cook kind of more like ground beef, and top it in there too for a little bit of extra protein. This is just some water. I still have many bottles of this orange, grapefruit, lemon water I've been drinking a lot of, but we have wine ready to go for tonight because tonight is the premiere of The Bachelorette. So I kind of have to do this in phases. First phase is cook the tater tots. So I'm gonna pop those in the oven, get those started cooking, and then I'll work on my eggs and the meat, and then put it all together, throw some cheese on it, stick it back in the oven to get the cheese to melt, and then enjoy. So I'll show you the process, but this is step one. Is the final product. So it is a layer of tater tots, a sprinkle of cheese. I used vegan cheese, but you could obviously use regular cheese. Then I did the eggs. So the tater tots were pre-cooked, the eggs were pre-cooked, and then put together in the pan. Some more cheese on top. Let that go in the oven for about 10 minutes to let the cheese melt. Then I cooked separately the Beyond Beef patty, and I cooked it more like ground beef. So that's my topping with some cut up green onions.
looks really good. Oh no, now I want that. Okay, I decided, I'm just gonna set you back there. I decided that I didn't want anything that I have. Basically all I have left to cook is, before we go to London, is veggie burgers and broccoli fries, which, bleh, I mean, it's good for you, but whatever. And black bean spaghetti, which I also don't want right now. And I'm getting sweet green tomorrow night. And I was gonna order something tonight, but Ashley, she talked me out of it, so I'm making mac and cheese. Probably the worst decision, because yes, I'm lactose intolerant and sensitive to gluten, and I had a whole cauliflower pizza yesterday, but you know what? I'm living my life with my wine during the bachelorette, making my mac and cheese. And I like to put cayenne on my, okay.
I'm trying to finish the
Oh,
bottle.
Jesus Christ.
We have a long night at bachelorette.
I like to put cayenne on my mac and cheese when it's finished.
Cheers.
So I'm excited to make it spicy. Cheers. So,
That was good, like ending soundtrack.
it really was.
That moment. Thanks, Al.
So yeah, I mean, there's cheese in whatever this is, but I use vegan butter and oat milk, like, in it, so it's like not fully like terribly lactosey. Anyway,
Lactosey?
yep.
That's the official term.
I just want you to know, it says that this is 3 servings per this container. I will eat the entire thing myself. Each serving is 410 calories, so cool. Alright, it's my final mac and cheese product with my wine. Everyone's ready to go for the bachelorette, which we're still unsure about.
I'm more excited for her than I was for Colton.
That's true. I would agree with that statement.
Ended up being semi-entertaining.
Yeah, so I feel like it always ends up being entertaining, but we'll see what happens.
Did you not have dessert? What?
Because I'm 6 months pregnant, bloated after my mac and cheese.
She's kidding. She's not pregnant. She's just saying she's bloated. What are you guys doing?
We're just snuggling.
Okay. I'm about to refill my water glass. I always bring a glass of water with me to bed.
My face.
Okay. That's gonna be it for this what we ate in a day video. My dinner was so good. It was good, this version.
It was good, but it was a
Shelby always makes mac and cheese and then whines for 4 hours after she eats it because she's so bloated.
But I'm so excited for London, I can't handle it. I got like really excited tonight. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you want to see more what we eat in a day videos, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe right there and watch our latest video. See you guys soon.
Goodbye.
Bye.